Hi, John. How's it going?
Hi, Emily. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. What have you been up to lately?
Not much, just the usual. Work has been quite busy. How about you? Anything new and exciting?
Not really. Just trying to balance work and personal life. I recently started a new hobby, though. I've taken up gardening,
That sounds interesting. What kind of plants are you growing?
mostly herbs and some flowers. I have basil, mint, and a few roses. It's really relaxing.
That sounds wonderful. I've been thinking about starting a new hobby, too. Maybe something creative like painting or photography.
Those are great choices. Have you done any painting or photography before?
Not really, but I've always wanted to try. I think it could be a good way to unwind after work.
Definitely. It's important to have something enjoyable to do outside of work. Speaking of which, how's your job going?
It's going well, but it's been pretty hectic. We're working on a big project that's due next month.
That sounds stressful. Make sure to take breaks and not overwork yourself.
I'll try. What about you? How's your job treating you?
It's been good, thankfully. We're in a quieter period right now, so I've had more time to relax and focus on my hobbies.
That's great to hear. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. I might just stay home and work on my garden. What about you?
I might visit my family. I haven't seen them in a while, so it would be nice to catch up.
That sounds like a lovely idea. Family time is always important.
Absolutely. Well, it was great catching up with you, Emily. Let's talk again soon.
Yes, definitely. Take care, John.
You too, Emily. Bye.